Hi again, Kindy students. It's nice to see you again in our second video of the day. Can we continue? Let's continue by opening our book, page 3. It is still the words with ch, ch sound. Can you repeat after me? Ch. One more time. Ch. That's nice. Now, in page 3, we have to add ch to complete the words. And after that, match the word to the correct picture. Let's do it one by one. Let's see the first one. Can you please write ch for the first word? Let's read it together. Chest, chest. Which one is the picture of chest? Can you find the picture of chest? Yes, chest is the upper front part of our body. Please draw the line from the word chest to the picture of chest. Good. Next, can you please write ch for the second word? Let's read the word together. Chin, chin. Good. Now, can you find the picture of chin? Can you draw the line? Great job. Next, can you please add ch at the end of the third word that we have? Let's read the word together. Which, which. Can you find which picture is which? Witch is a woman with the magic power. Can we continue? Alright, the next one. Can you please add ch to complete the word? Let's read the word together. Chain, chain. Can you find the picture of chain? Can you draw the line? Good job. Next, can you add ch to complete our next word? After that, we will see the word lunch. Lunch. Can you find the picture of lunch? Are you done with page 3? If you are done, let's move to page 4. In this page, we are going to learn about a new word. It is a color word. Let's read the word on the box. Purple. Purple. Can you please repeat after me? Purple. Great job. Now, let's try to find the word purple in each sentence. Let's start from number 1. Let's read the sentence. The grapes are purple. Can you please underline the word purple? Can you please continue to find the word purple in number 2, 3, 4, and 5 by yourself? I'm sure you can do it carefully. Yay! Great job, Kindy students! You can complete the task in page 2, 3, and 4 nicely. That is great! Well, I think that's all for us today. Thank you for doing the task with me. We will see you again tomorrow. We will have a Zoom class for English tomorrow. So please do not do any task in your book because we will do it together tomorrow. Okay? We'll see you again. Bye-bye.